Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold a boomerang to paper airplane. Most of the time it comes back, sometimes it doesn't. So now I'll teach you how to fold it. So start by folding your paper in half. So this side is the side that's open. And the side that's closed is on this side. So you're just gonna fold on the side that's closed, and on the side that's closed, just make a pinch crease for reference. So just make a pinch crease there, and fold this edge to the pinch crease, and fold this to the pinch crease, and just from this point, just fold it to the pinch crease point. And now you're gonna squash fold it. So if you don't want to squash fold it, just put your finger in there so you have this. And now just push it, and this line aligns with the middle line. Now flip it over and fold this on the existing crease. And now you'll see you have this. And leave a little, like a few centimeters on the bottom, and just pinch crease it there. Don't pinch crease too much. And then now you're gonna wonder, you're gonna tuck this in there, but you're gonna be like, how do you tuck this in? So this is a bit of tricky stuff. You are going to wait, first I'll do the fold, and then I'll show you how to, how to do it. So you do this, and then here's what I've done. On that pinch crease you made, you're just going to fold this edge down here. So, and then it should look like this. Just flatten it out only on this side, so you will see these layers are not bunched up together. So when you do that, now you could have enough room to just tuck it in right into that pocket, as deep as it goes. And now you will have this. So now just pinch here, and you're gonna pinch on that point, and you're gonna flatten it out, and you're gonna align it, this edge, back edge, with this line. Flip it over, and now we're all going to do it on the same side. If you haven't got that side, you could always watch the other side. So just leave a bit of space, and then fold down on that. And now tuck it in to the pocket over here. And now now just fold along this edge. Again, just like the other side. So now you will have this. If that was kind of hard for you, you could always pause the video. So now you're gonna fold from this corner to that corner. So just fold this corner to that corner. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. And now you're just gonna squash fold it once more. So you're just gonna put your finger in there. Now you will just turn the layers up and fold it down. So now you'll see you have this. So now you will see this crease on the back. Just put your thumbnail on it, and then you can make a sharp line over here. So use your thumbnail for that, and you make a sharp line and fold this crease to that crease. So then you have this down, fingers pointing down, and do the same with the other side. Or you could just, if you cannot find that crease, just fold it to the end of this corner and end it on this corner. So now unfold those, fold these two flaps up. And now tuck them under. You're almost done your plane now. So now you're just gonna fold it, flip it over, and fold it in half. Now you're gonna fold the wings. So you're gonna leave a bit of space up there, and you'll see this point, it's gonna land right on here. So just, you may have to do that a bunch of times. Just follow it with the other wing. You're almost done your plane now, but now you're just gonna add a bit of winglets, some winglets. So you're gonna fold this up, but do not make it all the way up here, just leave like some centimeters. And now you have your plane and it's done. You may find out that it's not like flipping over to you, and so that's why you just gotta bend down on the nose on each side. Pull down on the nose like that. Do it like a lot of times. And then now you should just curl this with your thumbnail and add a bit of elevator on the back. And now I'll show you how it flies. Oopsies, that did not come back. Thank you for watching. Bye.